Hey guys, welcome back. Today, we're getting caught up on laundry.
While Kara's doing laundry, I've been out wandering around and I've noticed a few things people are doing to secure all their stuff around their RVs. We've been at this park for 3 or 4 days, and for the most part, all we've done is sleep here. So we've been leaving our trailers, our bean right here, and then Kara's dad's big mobile suite right there, basically unattended. And when you're leaving them unattended for that long, there's opportunities for people to mess with stuff. Now, luckily, RVers, for the most part, are some of the most honest people you'll ever meet. And they'll actually watch out for your stuff more than, you know, go take it. But these are some of the things that we've done to secure our RVs.
One modification right out of the gate that we have done is RV locks. We know if we have our RV lock on our door, we are going to be secure. We would also recommend, if you've got bins, getting them all hooked to one key. Sometimes you have a bin key, a door key, sometimes a water key, a power key. It's nice to get them all on one. And with that, you're getting a little bit more secure of a lock as well. The installation on these locks are really simple. This is our second step putting on.
The great thing about these, they're really easy to install. You do have your little instructions here. The quality of construction is by far superior. And then the ease of use. You get your little fobs so you can unlock it or lock it from a distance. Oh, I mean, it's just so much beefier. Really well made, quality. For the bean, we have to get a right-hand set and a left-hand set since there are doors on both sides. But luckily they're keyed the same. And we've been struggling with the bean and having 4 different keys for this little trailer. So this is going to simplify it a little bit. Plus, we don't need keys anymore. We can always just press our little punch pad here. Before we get too far into that, we need to get the old latches off. Really easy. It's just a matter of screws here. So we're just going to pop out these screws, remove the old latch, put the new one on. Comparing the stock latch to the RV lock, this weighs probably 3 times more. You can just feel it's built so much heavier. When it comes to your RV and keeping it locked and everything safe, really beneficial to have this. And when you lock yourself out of it, you can always get back in. First step, just need to put this through. You just kind of have to finagle it. It's a fairly tight fit. Just kind of, there we go. Try not to scratch anything. Guess I need that to actually go through here. Doesn't do any good there. There we go. Now that's just a little bit of dirt there. It's not paint or anything. Okay. So we got that there. Coming through like that. Because it helps if I plug it in the right way. There we go. We got power. Just like that. Okay, now I just need to put the screws in. It comes with 2 striker plates, and for the bean, it's this one. So I'll just set that one to the side and see what we can do here. There we go. Lines up perfect. Nice.
The nice thing also about these locks is they are key padded. Put in your code that you programmed in. You can have a key fob when you're walking up to it. So there's 2 options for you to use these door locks. Typically, I am chasing Jesse down if I don't have my key or I didn't bring my purse wherever I was going and I need to get into the trailer. So in this case, I don't have to do that. I can just come over here, punch the code, get in. Simple as that. Installation is super easy. If Jesse can do it, anybody can do it.
That's the truth. Now, if you're interested in getting a set of RV locks for your trailer, whether it's a 5th wheel, bean, teardrop, whatever, motorhome, use our code Jauntjunkies15 and you can save 15%. So just Jauntjunkies15, all one word, save yourself 15% off of your locks. Another thing you need to worry about when securing your campsite, RV, whatever, is your truck bed. For us, we haven't had a cover until now, and Kara the other day surprised me with this backflip bed cover. Super nice, it's solid. Now, if somebody really wanted to get into it, they probably could, but it's gonna prevent that. And then I can just flip it up, get what I need, flip it back, and when I shut my tailgate, everything's locked and secured. And it's just been so handy on this trip. Now, I don't know if it's gonna work with our fifth wheel in the back, all that sort of stuff yet. I think it will, but we'll see. It's just so nice when you're out going on that trail hike, or we went out paddleboarding today. We could throw everything in the back, dry, wet, whatever, close it, it's secure, and it's safe, and for the most part, nobody's getting in it. Nowhere to get your fingers underneath. Nice. I don't know if any of you have been out and about and saw somebody using something, you're like, what the hell is that? You've never seen it. And for most of us, we've seen most RV related things. But the other day, Kara's dad got out his new toy, and it helps secure his surge guard. These are super expensive. I mean, you're looking $400 or $500 for this. So somebody could easily come by and steal it. It's a cable lock that wraps around and secures it. It's by Master Lock. This could be a target. So this is a good way to secure your surge guard, power cord, all those sort of things. And I'd never even seen it before. Super easy. We need to order one. We will order one as soon as we get home from this trip. So another easy target for people is your hitch. These hitches are not cheap, whether it's a B&W turnover like we have that's a few $100s, or our new one with all this pivoting stuff. They are an easy target. We were down at Lake Powell with some friends. They had to change trucks for their boat trailers, so on and so forth, and they went to hook on and their ball was gone. So if you can, these little pin locks, super easy. They aren't that expensive. Just a little keyed pin lock. So your key just comes in right here. Pretty simple. And it just helps secure it, so it's not quite as easy for somebody to steal. Just giving you that extra security so somebody doesn't walk away with your hitch. Now, with that, we need to do the same thing over here. This has the removable tongue, so we're gonna switch out that pin for a hitch lock as well. And that way it's good and secure and nobody happens to walk off with it. These are some of the things that we've done to secure our RV lock, the backflip tailgate cover. Super easy installation on all those things, and it just gives you that extra peace of mind and keeps the honest people honest. For the most part, everybody you run into at an RV park or out camping is going to be great, and they're actually going to watch out for your stuff instead of steal it, but you never know. You could run into that person that takes advantage of a situation. So if you can do these things, you might prevent that from happening. Comment below, what do you do to secure your RV? Have you ever had anything stolen at an RV park? We actually have not, but I mean, knock on wood. So let us know what you've done, or if you've ever had anything stolen while being out camping. As always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all those sort of things, and enjoy your weekend. Nope. There it is. If I can get it out of the gravel. Crisis averted. Wouldn't be a project if you didn't drop a screw somewhere.